Guys, and hope doing well. 2 days ago I checked over Google one special circuit diagram like this. This is op07 GSM mobile phone detector. This is designed with Dr. Poul Smith from Indiana University of Physics. So it is especially because of this is working with single operational amplifier, and it is op07, and also the frequency stabilizer coming from an antenna with single diode. And I designed this one also here like this with this diode 1 and 5711, this one, and also 100 picofarad cap here. It is C8, this one. I will take a sharp picture. I will stay on this schematic if you want to take a print screen. And also I add one audio amplifier LM386 N series, and also I add one switch here to switch from headphone and a speaker. So here the schematic is also connected to the speaker, and one jack for the headphone or any speaker. Also without amplifier 386 it will work very well, but I add this one because of I need more sensitivity for this project, and it will help too much. So that's it. The transistor that will stabilize the frequency is 2N4401. And also, if you are too close to the radio station, you may also take the FM radio band with this. You can see that we don't have any coil here, and this is working with the microwave frequencies like mobile phone. Very well, I'm going to test this project. I checked also the project with several ICs, operational amplifier ICs, and op07 is the best configuration as the designer Poul designed. And I should say a special thanks for this guy. I will try to test this project. At first I'm switching to the speaker. This noise is the data of my mobile phone that you can hear. All during the call you can see that we have noise. If you use only amplifier, when you connecting the call and when you are disconnecting the call, you have noise. But with this project, all during the phone, GSM mobile is connected to any phone, any connection, data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GSM, you have noise with the speaker. For the next project, I will try to change the speaker with NE 555 to make a nice melodies for the different frequencies. And I believe that this project for Indiana University is one of the best design without coil, and it will cover full GPRS 2G, 3G, and 4G detection, and it is one of the best projects that I made before. So here, don't forget that use the tantalum cap here, because of this point is the connection for the part and the operational amplifier, and here we need exact 100 nanofarad and it is much better to use tantalum caps as this filter that we do here. So for the operational amplifier, we don't have anything, any loop or any different voltage dividing, just the pin number 3 is connected to the ground and pin number 2 is directly connected to the that 100 nano tantalum cap, and also that's it. So I will try to test with this dual remote key one more time like this. And also I will try to test with the car key. Very well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. As I told during the projects, I will try to change the amplifier and output with a simple inverting filter with 555 and make it much more comfortable for the GSM detecting project. Thanks for watching one more time and goodbye.